right, the journey continues. I got the split rings replaced. Got the net with me this time. Let's see if we can land some today. Let's go. $503. Got one. Oh! Don't know if you guys see that. Didn't stick to the hook. All right, cast 504. That's maybe a pounder, not too big. Cast 505. 510. Ooh, there's something. Let's just spook something away. 523. Oh, go on. That's a nice one. Stay on hook. Stay on hook. That's a good one. Where are you? Show your face. Yes, there you go. There's one. Where's my net? No. Yes, in the net. Yes. Whew. That's a nice one. Nice fish. Finally, after 523 casts, catch this duckling eating bass. Yes. Finally, it's a nice one. It's a nice. Oh, don't bite me that hard. You like duck? Huh? You like duck? Yes. Yes, got it. 3 duckling lure. That's a long one. 8, 16, 20-inch, skinny 20-inch duckling eating bass. Yes. Take a final look before you go back to water. Remember, eat it again. Yes, we did it. Yes. Okay, maybe that was a 19. But it was the very first fish caught on, maybe also the very first 3D printed 3 duckling lure. It might not be an efficient lure, but it surely brings in a lot of excitement. Well, at least when the fish is hitting. Thank you for following along with me on this journey. And you know this will not just stop here. Until then, keep your dreams alive. Keep fishing and never ever give up. Peace.